Go to school or work in style with a Qualibike Beluga Folding Bike. It is perfect for adults and anyone who wants a fast electric bike for going from point A to point B. The Beluga has a sporty performance and a rugged design, ideal for urban dwellers, office workers, students, and working people who need a robust bike. The Beluga bike comes with sporty Kenda 4-inch thick fat tires. Its powerful 48-volt MXUS 500-watt high-speed brushless geared hub motor inside the rear wheel eliminates any magnetic drag while pedaling. It can accelerate to up to 20 miles per hour and cover a range of 25+ miles using pedal assist, and is also powered by a removable Samsung 48-volt lithium-ion 10.5 Ah battery pack. The Qualibike Beluga also features a throttle, a walk assist mode, and cruise control, so you can choose not to keep the throttle engaged during the ride. It is one of the stylish folding bikes out there, featuring a single-tube folding frame with 20-inch aluminum rims, large 160mm disc brakes, and a 7-speed Shimano derailleur. Perfect for going to work, school, or doing errands, the Qualibike Beluga electric bike is an epitome of an ideal city bike for everyday commuting. Get yours now and have it delivered right to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed with free shipping and no sales tax outside Wyoming. Simply click on the link down in the description below, or you can contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise at electricbikeparadise.com.